welcome to MR classes, guys. So guys, today we'll discuss the topic on finding a point on the line. See, means if you're asked, if you're given with a line and you have to find a point on the line, okay, and with some conditions. Some conditions have been also have been given to you, okay. So using that conditions, you have to find a point on the line. So I have taken one question and I'll just explain you on the basis of this question, okay. So what is my question? Like, find the point on the line. This is my line equation. Line equation in Cartesian form. You can see at a distance of this from the point 1, 2, 3. Like, read again the question. Find the point on the line this at a distance of this from the point this. You have to find a point on this line, which the point at a distance of this from the point this. Like, if I'll just make the diagram like using the conditions whatever given in the question. So this is my line equation, and line equation is x plus 2 by 3, then y plus 1 by 2, z minus 3 by 2. So this line equation is this, okay, which is given to you in the question itself. So, and you have to find a point on this line, okay, and the point is at a distance of like 3 root 2 from, and this point is from this point, like from this point 1, 2, 3. So what the question is been asked, you can see here. You have to find this point, okay. So you have to find this point. So I'll just make you solve this question, okay, and I'll just make you explain. You can, if any question comes like this question, you can use this process, okay. So what is that given part? Given is my line equation. So line equation is x plus 2 by 3 is equals to y plus 1 by 2 and z minus 3 by 2 is equal to some lambda. Say we'll take some lambda, okay. Again I'm telling, if you haven't watched my previous lectures, do watch that lectures first, okay, then only you can understand this too. And after, see, from means after this step we have to find the value of x. Like, we have to find any point on this line is somewhat like x comma y comma z, okay. Any point on this line is like x comma y comma z now. So we have to find this the value of x comma y comma z from this line. So you can use these two and these to find the value of x, y, z, okay. So I'm just comparing these two. So x plus 2 by 3 is equals to lambda. What will be my x value? The value of x is 3 lambda and just minus 2, okay. So this is my x value, okay. And similarly we can find value of y. So here y is equals to 2 lambda minus 1, okay. So this is my y value. And similarly we can find z, the value of z, okay. So if we'll compare z minus 3 by 2 equals to lambda, then z is equals to 2 lambda, that 2 lambda plus 3, okay. Are you getting me or not? What is the point? What is the arbitrary point? Let me give you the correct word. What is that arbitrary point which will lie on this line? Is x comma y comma z, x comma y comma z, okay. So what is my point? We have to find this point x comma y comma z, and the value of x, y, z are like we have already find this values of x, y, z in terms of lambda, okay, in terms of lambda. So so what is my point? Like, what is my point? X comma y comma z, and the points we have already x. The value of x is like 3 lambda minus 2 comma 2 lambda minus 1 and 2 lambda plus 3. So these are the points. So I have already find out this point, okay, this point in terms of lambda, okay. You can say here, excuse me. So what is my point on this point? Like, what is the point, like from here, that this point. So this point's coordinate is like this point, this coordinates, okay. So 3 lambda minus 2 comma 2 lambda minus 1 comma 2 lambda plus 3. So the coordinate of this point is this, okay. So I'm just rubbing this, keep noting, okay. Whatever you want to understand this, you just comment in the inbox itself. So you just now use the, now what is my next step? my next step is to find lambda, the value of lambda, so that we can put the values of lambda in place of lambda, and we'll just find out the points. Okay, you can see the coordinate. If we'll put the values of lambda, then we can easily find the coordinates. Okay, and we are asked to find the points only. Okay, so use the see, the distance between these 2 points is 3√2. Then we can use the distance formula. So use distance formula. Then using distance formula, you already know this distance formula. You can name this, like you can name this point A and this point O. So AO is equals to like root over of, remember the distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, then 3 lambda minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus use the distance formula. Okay, 2 lambda minus 1, then minus 2 y2 minus y1. Okay, then whole square. If I write, I'm just rubbing this part. Okay, I hope you are noting in your copy, whatever. Then plus that third coordinate, 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3. Okay, whole square. So, and this is equal to this distance, and the distance OA distance is given already 3√2. So let's put the value 3√2 is equals to, you can solve here. So like minus 2 minus 1, like minus 3. So 3 lambda minus 3 whole square plus 2 lambda minus 3 whole square. See that I'm doing the correct calculation. Okay, calculation mistake you have to, you should also see. Then 2 lambda square, it will be 4 lambda square. Okay, you can take the square to both sides to like to eliminate this root. So I'm taking a square root, taking square to both sides. If I take square to both, like square to this side, 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2, 9 to the 18. Okay, and then if I take square to this side, then root and square will get cancelled, and whatever is left is this. So I'm just opening this using a minus b whole square. Okay, then a square, like 9 lambda square plus 9 minus 3 is 9 and 9 to the 18 lambda. Again using this, opening this. Okay, means evaluating this. And then a square, like 4 lambda square plus 9 and then minus 3, like minus what, like 3 to the 6 to the 12. Okay, 2ab, yeah? So like this, 2 lambda minus 12 lambda, and then 4 lambda square. Then use this and find the value of lambda. Then 9 lambda square, 4 lambda square, 4 lambda, 4 4 8 9 what, 8 and 17. Okay, 17 lambda square, and then minus 12 lambda and then minus 18 lambda. It will give you somewhat 30, like minus 30 lambda, and 9 and 9 18. Okay, and this what we get, this like quadratic equation, solve for lambda. Okay, so the value which we'll get, and whatever value the lambda will get, will just you have to put the value of lambda here and find the coordinate. Like the coordinate is itself a point. Okay, so like the desired point which we are supposed to find. Okay, so you take this 18 to that side, and just you can eliminate this 18 too. Okay, the sign is same, the numbers are same, you can eliminate. So what we get, like 17 lambda square minus 30 lambda equals 0. Then if I'll see, I'll take common lambda, then 17 lambda minus 30. You can see the calculation whether I'm doing correct or not. Okay, and lambda equals 0, and 17 lambda minus 30 equals 0. Then lambda equals to 30 by 17. So let me check the answer whether it is the real answer or not. If I'll see the answer is, oh wait, not this one. Yeah, we got the correct value. Okay, and then you just put the values of lambda into this coordinate and just, okay. So what is the value of lambda? Lambda equals to this, and lambda equals to 30 by 17. Okay, we just cross checked whether we have done correct or not. So see, we are asked to find the point, and the coordinate of the points are this, and just put the value of lambda, get the point, and that will be your answer. So what is my coordinate? Like 3 lambda minus 2, 2 lambda minus 1, and 2 lambda plus 3. Okay, so this is my coordinate, like this is my point, you can say also. So putting when lambda equals 0, then the coordinate will be like somewhat, when lambda, like right, when lambda equals 0, the coordinate becomes, see, this part will become 0, like my lambda, well, the value of lambda is 0 now, so here we'll get -2, -1, and this is 3. So this is my 1 point. We have got two values of lambda, so we'll put two values of lambda. It's 30 by 17. Okay, so when we put the values, so we'll get the point like somewhat 3 into 30 by 17 minus 2 comma 2 into 30 by 17 minus 1 comma 2 into 30 by 17 plus 3. Solve it, and this we have already solved the question. Okay, and further calculation is required, you can also do. I'm just doing. Okay, 90 by 17, so this is my 90 by 17 minus 2, so like 17 to the 34 minus 34. Okay, 90 minus 34 by 17 comma 30 to the 60, 60 minus 17 by 17, and this is what my like 60 plus 17 3 ja, if I am remembered 51, 7 3 ja 21, and then 2. Yeah, okay, then by 17. So on, well, like on calculating this 30, like if I'll calculate this 90 minus 34, like 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 50 means 56. 56. This is a technique of like all shop seller. Okay, so 50 by 56 by 17, and then 60, 17 plus 3 20, 20 plus 40, it means 43. Okay, so you can also calculate like this, 43 by 17, and you have to add this to, means 6 5 11, 111 by 17. So these are my points which were asked to find. Okay, so likewise you can also do similar questions using this process. Okay, so I just request you to share this video and keep subscribing my video. Thank you.
Keep subscribing my video क्या होता है bro?
Keep watching my video बोलना था, बहुत